Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sales funnels and exploring the key differences between ClickFunnels and traditional sales funnels. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, understanding the best approach for your business is crucial. So let's get started. 1. Understanding ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a popular software that offers a comprehensive platform for building and managing sales funnels. It provides a user-friendly interface, pre-built templates, and a range of features designed to streamline the sales process. With ClickFunnels, businesses can create automated sales funnels, manage leads, and optimize conversions with ease. 2. Exploring traditional sales funnels. Traditional sales funnels involve a more manual approach to building and managing the sales process. Businesses using traditional sales funnels often rely on multiple tools and platforms to create and optimize their funnels. While traditional sales funnels offer flexibility, they may require more time and resources to set up and maintain. 3. Comparing the two approaches. ClickFunnels offers a convenient all-in-one solution, making it ideal for businesses looking for a streamlined and efficient sales funnel process. Traditional sales funnels provide greater customization and control, making them suitable for businesses with specific needs and the resources to manage a more complex system. 4. What's best for your business? The choice between ClickFunnels and traditional sales funnels ultimately depends on your business's unique requirements, resources, and long-term goals. Consider factors such as budget, technical expertise, scalability, and the level of customization needed when making your decision. In conclusion, both ClickFunnels and traditional sales funnels have their own strengths and weaknesses. It's important to carefully evaluate your business needs and resources before deciding which approach is best for you. Whether you opt for the convenience of ClickFunnels or the flexibility of traditional sales funnels, the key is to take action and implement a sales funnel strategy that aligns with your business goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.